In today's video, we're going to be identifying transformations based on a graph. So we've learned about translating when you slide a figure. We've learned about reflecting a figure when you flip it. And we've also learned about rotating a figure when you turn it. So we have to look at this diagram and see which of those three transformations is being done from one figure to the other. And it's also important to know from where you start and when you end up. So in this problem, it says figure L is the result of figure K. So K goes to L, right? It's important to know which one goes to which. You're starting at K and it goes to L. And it looks like it's just a mirror image being flipped over the y-axis. So you're reflecting this over the y-axis. And see if that works. And it is, yes, indeed, being flipped. All right, let's try another one. Oh, this one looks a little funky, right? It's not being reflected. It's not the mirror image, right? It's also not slid. When you slide, hold on, it says W is the result of figure V. So it goes from V to W, right? So it's not being slid down here. It looks like it's being rotated. Now it's being rotated to this quadrant. So you're going 90 degrees clockwise or 270 counterclockwise, because we know 90 and 270 could be the same thing depending on which direction you go. So it could be a 90 degrees clockwise or a 270 counterclockwise. Let's see. 90 degrees clockwise. All right, let's look at another one. Figure S is the result of the transformation of figure R. So I'm going R to S. All right, this one looks like it's just being flipped. It's going flipping across the y-axis, x-axis, right? The horizontal axis, the x-axis. Okay. Let's try another one. Figure V is the result of the transformation of figure U. So I'm going from U to V. So this one to this one, again, reflected over the y-axis. All right, let's look at the next one. A lot of reflections here. Let's do one that's not a reflection. All right, here we go, right here. L is the result of figure K. So I'm going from K to L. It looks like I'm just sliding all these points down and left. All these points are going down and left. So I go from here. How do I get to this corresponding point? I go left 1, 2, 3, 3, and down 1, right? 1, 2, 3, down 1. 1, 2, 3, down 1. Yep, all these are going left 3, down 1. Yep, bam, beautiful demonstration. This one, oh, okay. This one, I'm going from C is the result of B. So I'm going from B to C. It looks like it's just being slid, right? Left 1, down 3. Left 1, down 3. Left 1, down 3. So left 1, down 3. And be careful, you're going from B to C too, not C to B, or else that would be one of the options. You don't want to click on that one. All right, let's look at one more. I want to look at another. We'll do two more. I like this one. This one, it looks like it's being turned 180 degrees, right? Rotated 180 degrees. But I'm starting at, Q is the result of P. So I'm going to start at P, go to Q, it's turned 180 degrees. Doesn't matter which direction you go. 180 degrees clockwise. And one more. I know I said one more before, but I want to do one more. Let's look at... that could be a funky one. I want to do one more. Here, why don't I do this? All right, here we go. So I'm starting at figure S is the result of a transformation on figure R. All right, so I'm going from R to S. And it looks like it's turning. It's going from this one. It's not being reflected. It's not being translated. It's turning either 90 degrees counterclockwise or 270 degrees clockwise. So let's see what our choices are, right? 3-0 becomes 0-3, right? So you're turning this all the way over to here. So 90 degrees, and we said counterclockwise, right? This one goes counterclockwise to this one. If it went clockwise, you would have to go 270. Submit. Bam. Okay. So all those are all different types of transformations you would see on these problems here when you're trying to identify them. And so we talked about, again, rotations, reflections. When you turn, rotation is when you turn it, reflection is when you flip it, and a translation is when you slide a figure. All right, so that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. And remember, whether you're solving for X or Y, always give math a try.